Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to do voiceovers in InShot. So this is just a test video here, and from here you can go to the left side and hit music, so you can add music effects and record. So once you add record here, it's going to start in 3 seconds here, and then you already know what it is. It's your boy Aqua. So now the voiceover is over top of the actual audio here. So we're going to stop here. We're going to hit OK, and then we're going to hit play.
Wait, I think. What?
So now we know how to do the voiceover in InShot here. And if you ever wanted to, if this is too loud, the original video, you can denoise it, you can extract the audio, or you can turn the volume down for the actual video. And then we hit press, we zero that, press play here. You already know what it is. It's your boy Aqua. So now there's there. But if you want both of them, of course you could turn it back up and then do both. Then you
Wait, I
already
think.
know what it is. So there you go, and that's how you do a voiceover in InShot. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you on a new video. All right. Peace.